to take over as one of the starting cornerbacks for the San Francisco 49ers. That's the sporting life. And as you were also saying during the break, Dre Bly, cool name.
Isn't it?
We'll see if he has anything left.
Back it up on the field. Yeah. Nice, Mark.
Thank you, Mark. Well, in 22 days, television across the country will be a digital broadcast. The digital transition will be made the night of June 12th. And to see if your TV is ready for DTV, take the DTV test right now. Take a look at your TV. If you're seeing the green screen, you are ready for DTV. If you're seeing red, well, the television you're watching is not ready for the digital signal. Now go check the other televisions in your home or office if you can. If you see red, you'll need a converter box. When you get your converter box, or if you're already using one, there are still some things you need to know. And for more on that, here's KTVU consumer editor Tom Vakar.
It starts with a converter box and a digital antenna.
So first things first, you're going to want to make sure everything's powered off, and then we're going to want to hook up the antenna to the converter box. First, you're going to want to turn the box around. You're going to screw in the antenna onto the coax connector, which this is called where it says antenna. So this next step depends on what connectors are on your television. These colored plug-in connectors are found on many older sets. This screw-on connector is found on newer sets. Some sets have both. Use one connector set or the other.
Plug your converter box and your digital antenna into a power source. Then turn on the converter box and tune your TV to channel 3.
Now, using your remote, follow the directions that appear on the screen. Now choose your language. Now just keep your set on normal television, 4x3 viewing for standard televisions. And now it'll do all the work for you. This is actually searching to find out which stations are going to pick up with your current antenna set you have. So for us here, we found 17 channels. Depending on your home and the antenna that you currently have, you could find more or less.
Because Bay Area TV stations will be tweaking their transmitters for a while, it'll be important that you rescan for channels every couple of weeks to maximize the number of stations you can receive.
11 of the stations, the digital stations, are co-located at Sutro. So you should be able to point an antenna in most cases in one direction and get all those stations.
But there are a handful of other stations in our market. And the Bay Area has high-rises, hills, and valleys. So in addition to where you point your antenna, how far away you are from a station's transmitter will affect whether you'll be able to see that station's over-the-air picture. You may be in an area where the signal is marginal, or you might not get a signal at all.
If you can't get it over the air, you've got to go to cable or satellite.
Cable and satellite subscribers don't need to buy a digital converter box, no matter what type of TV set's being used. The cable and satellite companies will take care of converting the digital signal so that their customers can continue to see local TV without interruption. The U.S. government has spent millions to educate the public about the transition to DTV. When we wake up June the 13th and turn on our TV sets, then we'll know how well we've listened. I'm consumer editor Tom Vakar, KTVU Channel 2 News.
And to learn more about the DTV transition, dial 211 or call 1-800 or 888 rather. Call FCC 1-888 call FCC, and on the web go to www.fcc.gov. All right, hope you got all that. That is our report for tonight. I'm Julie Hayner.
I'm Frank Somerville. Have a good evening, everyone. Good night.